Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing good. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Memefi with OKS wallet. So it is easy and simple. You have to just follow me and I will show you the step by step. All right, so please, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, like and share with your friends. And if you have any question, go to the comment section. All right, let's begin. First of all, you need to find a VPN. You need VPN on this. All right, you need to go and find a VPN. As you can see, I'm going to use Winscribe here. As you can see, I have Winscribe VPN here, so I'm going to use Winscribe. You can just locate to any country in Europe. So I'm going with the UK. I'm going with London right now. So I'll just turn it on. If you turn on your, yes, it's on, then you go directly to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, whatever you are using. Go there and download the OKS. As you can see, here is OKS. You go and search for OKX like this. When you search for OKX, you download it. When you download it, you come here and open it like this. So when you open it, it's not going to show here. As you can see, it's going to show the exchanger here. You see, it's going to show you this exchanger. When you look up, you're going to see exchange and the wallet. You're going to see here is exchange to the left, and in the right we have wallet. Then you go for the right, you go for the wallet here in the right. Then you touch wallet here. When you touch wallet, you create a new wallet here. When you create a new wallet here, then it's easy to create a wallet. You just need your email address, that's all. So when you create your wallet, then you go back to, as you can see, it's loading, so we have to wait for it a bit to load. Then the next thing what you need to do is go and open your Telegram. When you open your Telegram like this, go and open your Memefi. All right, open your Memefi. As you can see here, we have Memefi coin here. Then you touch it, play. Then you touch play. All right, so as you can see, this is, let's open it ASAP. So as you can see, I just opened my Memefi. So what you are going to do here is, do not touch anything here. Just look up at the right hand corner. You are going to see 3 dots here. Then you touch these 3 dots here. When you touch them, then you touch share. The first one, no, the fourth one. When you touch share here, as you can see down here, you see copy, right? Down here you see copy. Then you touch copy like this. Then you see, as you can see, you copy the link. All right, then you minimize and go back to your OKS wallet. Then go back to your OKS wallet and touch discover here. You touch discover. As you can see, when you touch discover, there is a search here. There is a place for you to search here. Up here, look up here. Then you press that, the link you copy, the same link you copy from Memefi. Then you paste it in here. When you paste it, then you search for it here. Touch search. Then you search for it, confirm and search. All right, then wait a bit. All right, wait a bit for this. Just keep waiting. Keep waiting. It is going to brought you to a place like this. What you are going to do is press open here. You press open in here, right? Then I touch open. Guys, please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. I will be updating you back to back. Anything you need, I'm going to be updating you. Just put it on the comment section. Ask me any question, I'm going to make a video for you. All right, so when you open it like this, then you go to, as you can see here, you see this OKS logo here at the left, the third one here. Then you touch it. When you touch it, then it's gonna ask you to check the task. Then you touch check the task here. As you can see, it's loading. All right, so as you can see, it brought you here. So what you are going to do is connect OKS app. The first one, you touch it and you wait a bit for it to load. As you can see, it brought you here. It's loading. So connect, you see connect wallet down here. down here, connect wallet, then you touch connect wallet here, then you wait for it. The wallet is connected. As you can see, it is connected. All right, it's checking. Confirm the transaction in OKX wallet. So you have to confirm the transaction in OKX wallet. All right, then open wallet.